What's up, everybody? It's Team Isaac Jarvis again. Welcome back to this comprehensive tutorial on we are dealing with Microsoft Word. Okay, so we are going to be doing mail merging today. All right. So you might ask, what is mail merging? And I managed to find a very simple definition here. All right. So mail merge is a powerful feature in Microsoft Word that allows you to create personalized documents, letters, emails, labels, or envelopes for multiple recipients at once. Okay, and it goes on and says that it works by combining a standard document template with a data source, such as an Excel spreadsheet or Outlook contacts. So the data source contains personalized information like names, addresses, or other details, which get automatically inserted into a template, producing individual documents for each person. So mail merge is especially useful when you need to send out mass communications while keeping them personal and tailored to each recipient. All right. So to the bottom line, you use mail merging if you want to get out maybe email messages, or you want to send out letters to a lot of people, but you want to make them tailored with their name or something like that. All right, so let's dive right in, and I'll show you guys how to use mail merge. All right, so let's delete this for now, and we're going to be working with this form for this video for a while now. This is a thank you letter, and we intend to send it to every single client of Voice Convert services. All right, now when you have your custom message like this, okay, you know, your address, the subject, and then the letter of the body, and your signatures down below, you want to go ahead and go to these tabs. All right, I told you guys that the key to using any piece of software successfully is getting used to the UI. All right, if you can find your way around the UI, if you know where to find what you're looking for, then you're good to go. All right, and these are all tabs that are very useful in Microsoft Word. So go ahead to this mailings tab and click it. All right, and then you'll find everything about mail merge, especially here. All right, now we have envelopes, labels, start mail merge, select recipients, edit recipient list, blah blah blah. All right, so I want you guys to come here, start mail merge, and we're going to be using this step-by-step mail merge. So click it, and it should pop up something on the right. All right, so Microsoft Word is going to ask you, what type of document are you working on? Might be a letter, an email message, an envelope, a label, or a directory. We're going to stick with letters. All right, go ahead, click next. So the second step, how do you want to set up your letters? And it's going to ask you, use the current document, start from a template, start from existing document. This is the current document. All right, this is something that we just typed out real quick. All right, and we're going to stick with that. So next, and it's going to ask you to select a recipient. All right, so first use an existing list, and there's also a second option from Outlook contacts. If you are signed in to Microsoft Outlook, you can select your recipient from that mail, or type a new list. Okay, so I have a dummy database in Microsoft Excel that I typed out just for this tutorial. So if you guys have another data source, you can click this, select a list, and I think I saved it here. in downloads. So open that, and Microsoft Word will go ahead and ask you what sheet is that data on. Alright, we're going to look at what the data contains in a minute, and this is it. So we have the data source, which is this mail merge dummy text, and we have last name, first name, address, city, state, zip code, phone number, and yeah, this is all random numbers and figures.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, it helps if you have a separate record for people you want to send out emails to. All right, for this case, we are sending emails to clients of Vosco's Vet Services in Gulu City. Okay, yours might be different. You might be sending emails to your business clients, your classmates, your work colleagues. All right, so it helps to have that data in a database with all of that personal information. Okay, that will be easier, so that you can replicate that anytime you want. All right, so once this is defined, go ahead and click OK. All right, and then move on to next step 4. So MailMart is going to ask you to write your letter. We already have our letter written here, but I want to show you one important thing here. Okay, I added a space holder inside these square brackets. Okay, so let's just delete it for now, and we want our client's name to appear in this space. So let's click address block, and it's going to say no, not address. This is a greeting line. Okay, so this is dear, and then our first client is this, I suppose. No, John Doe. Alright, so click OK, and then you will see this this placeholder is added to our letter. Okay, so that's a greeting line. You can as well add an address block, and let's say that the address is to appear below here. Click that, and it shall also add a placeholder for that address block. Okay, and yeah, that's it for now. You guys will check it out later. Next, and this is to preview your letter. So starting from the top, Vosco's Vet Services, address, subject, and this is dear. Okay, hold on, we should delete this dear because MailMart is already supplying us with another dear. Okay, so this name will be replaced by every single client name in your record. Okay, and then this is that address. Okay, so yeah, this looks fine. Click next, and you can as well print. You can decide to print all of them, or decide to edit individual letters. Okay, say this kind of client was different, and then you want to change maybe a scenario based on how you are dealing with them. You can edit that, or decide to print all records, current records, like that. Okay, so when you have them printed, you can as well deliver them, or if you chose to email them, then you should have done that in the first option. Okay, yeah, so that is how to use mail merge. If you got confused over anything, let me know down in the comments. If there is anything that we missed, any tips, any tricks, any hacks, let us know down in the comments, so that we learn together. All right, so get this knowledge, do something with it, teach it to somebody else, make videos of it, and yeah, it's a wrap for today. Hit that like button if you like the video, smash it if it's not something that you're into, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.